Advertising concept by quantum simulations. In practice, many characteristics distinguish a company's production from its competitors in the same industry. Some differentiation between products can be introduced either based on the actual qualities of the outputs, where technology permits, which is possible for sophisticated, durable goods for which quality can become the real strategic variable, or on the conditions of sale of these products, location of the seller, the reputation of the seller, payment facilities, delivery times, after-sales conditions, etc., or by using advertising, or the product's brand image, etc. The notion of product differentiation gives rise to the notion of the seller's clientele. Product differentiation is one of the ways to escape Bertrand's paradox, Saloni 1998. Even if economists do not all agree on the usefulness of advertising, it remains a strategic tool that can reinforce a positioning or a differentiation policy. Advertising can be a vehicle for information through a signal mechanism. The simple fact that a brand advertises constitutes in itself a useful signal, independently of the content of the advertising messages. Thus, a brand that invests heavily in an advertising campaign is more likely to offer a quality product than another. Indeed, only the producer of quality goods has an economic interest in launching this campaign, since the customer, satisfied with his purchase, is likely to remain loyal to the brand. Conversely, if he is disappointed by a purchase of low quality, he will abandon the brand favoring a competing brand. The producer will not reap the benefit of his advertising investment. Advertising then acts as a signal of product quality. Advertising costs to make oneself known in the market can also be a very significant barrier against the entry of other producers. Smiley, 1988, surveyed company managers to study the techniques used to make the entry of rival firms less attractive. He reports that more than half of the managers give these strategies as necessary as commercial or production strategies, and that only 13% of the managers surveyed consider entry barrier strategies to be unimportant. The author notes the following techniques. Advertising: it is so intense that the attachment to the brand is solid. R&D patents: the company can buy patents for all similar products. Appropriation of all niches: the firm may choose to fragment the market and invest in all niches so that a new entrant faces insufficient demand if it enters a niche. Learning curve: the company may decide to manufacture large quantities quickly, in order to benefit from low production costs quickly. Limit price: the company may set a sufficiently low price, making any market entry unprofitable. Excess capacity: the company's total production capacity is such that it can satisfy any additional demand. Reputation: the firm can send signals to potential competitors through the media to react strongly to market entry.